Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today we have pasta with butter and herbs, and this is by definition a quick dinner. Start to finish, literally the longest thing that it takes to cook is the pasta, so start to finish, 9 minutes. The pasta should already be boiling in the water a couple of minutes, because this sauce doesn't take very long. What you want to do is add 6 tablespoons of butter, and then add 6 tablespoons of parsley that's minced, 6 tablespoons of basil that's minced, 2 to 3 tablespoons of thyme that's minced, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of oregano that's minced, along with 3 cloves of garlic that's minced. And then just stir this around, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and yeah, that's literally the beginning and the end of the sauce. And then just drain your pasta and we'll be ready for the next step. Okay, as you can see, got the pasta all drained and nice. Now we're going to add the sauce to all of this and then just basically stir it around until everything is well incorporated. I mean, really, this is a perfect first time dish. Oh, by the way, save a little bit of pasta water. I saved about a quarter cup of pasta water just to kind of help with the emulsion a little bit. But yeah, just stir this around until it's well incorporated. All right, let's get set up for serving. Okay, we got it pretty much in a bowl, adding some Parmesan cheese. And of course, I just like it. These are optional. Parmesan cheese and freshly ground black pepper. And that's literally it. Pasta with butter and herbs. Done. I mean, if you've never cooked anything in your life, great first dish to start on. This tasted fantastic. But once again, pasta with butter and herbs. Done.